Welcome to the world of groundbreaking innovations and futuristic technologies. Today, we're diving into a realm where robots and artificial intelligence are reshaping our daily lives in remarkable ways. From charging your electric vehicle effortlessly with Star-Charged's Robotic Charger to the Mandrew's affordable 3D printed prosthetic hands that is revolutionizing accessibility. From charging your electric vehicle effortlessly with Star-Charged's Robotic Charger to the Mandrew's affordable 3D printed prosthetic hands revolutionizing accessibility. There's no shortage of awe-inspiring advancements to explore. But what lies beyond these incredible creations? How will they continue to evolve and impact our world? Join us as we embark on a journey through the realm of innovation, where questions abound and the possibilities are endless. Strap in, get ready to witness the future unfold before your eyes. Number 1. Robotic Charger. Imagine a helpful robot ready and waiting to take care of your charging your electric vehicle, leaving you with one less thing to worry about. That's precisely what Star-Charged's Robotic Charger is all about. Tailored specifically for public charging stations in Asia, this cutting-edge technology is designed to seamlessly connect to charging ports all on its own, making the entire process hassle-free and super efficient. No more grappling with cords or struggling to plug in. This robot handles it all autonomously. It effortlessly links up to charging ports without any need for human input, simplifying the entire procedure and making it smooth sailing from start to finish. But here's the real kicker. By automating this task, it's not just saving you time, it's also cutting down on the need for manual labor. This translates to less reliance on human effort and a boost in overall efficiency. What's more, it's a step in the right direction towards fostering sustainable transportation solutions, perfectly aligning with the goal push for cleaner, greener modes of transportation. So, with the Robotic Charger lending a hand, charging up your electric vehicle becomes not only hassle-free, but also a small yet impactful contribution to a brighter, more eco-conscious future. Number 2. Mandrew. Mandrew is at the forefront of a remarkable transformation in prosthetics. They're making waves by providing 3D printed electronic hands at an incredibly affordable price, just $1,000. Their goal is crystal clear: to make life better for amputees by tackling the big hurdles of accessibility and affordability head-on. But it's not just about making prosthetic hands cheaper, it's about making them better too. Mandrew's electronic hands come packed with features that will blow your mind. Picture this: multiple joints for flexibility, a range of grasping patterns for versatility, and sensors that respond intuitively to your movements. It's like getting a second chance at having a fully functional hand. And the best part? These hands aren't just impressive on paper, they are practical too. They are designed to be comfortable and easy to use in everyday activities, whether you're picking up groceries or tapping on a keyboard. So, thanks to Mandrew, countless individuals are getting a fresh start with prosthetic hands that not only improve their quality of life, but also fit snugly into their budget. It's a game changer in the world of prosthetics. It's all about giving people the chance to live life to the fullest. Number 3. Robo Cube. Let me tell you about the Robo Cube, a real game changer in the world of cleaning. Imagine this. You are at CES 2024, and Lotus Robotics unveils this incredible piece of technology. Robo Cube isn't just your ordinary sweeper robot, it's a whole new level of clean. First off, its design is something else. It's adaptable, meaning it can handle all sorts of cleaning tasks with ease. But get this, it doesn't stop at just sweeping floors. Nope. Robo Cube is so versatile that it can be used in shuttle buses, pickups too. Talk about multitasking. Now, what really sets Robo Cube apart is its dual operation modes. You got your autonomous mode, where it does its things all on its own, navigating through spaces like a champ. But if you ever need to take control, there's also a manual mode for you to step in and guide it yourself. That's flexibility right there, making it super easy to use no matter what the environment. With Robo Cube leading the charge, the future of cleaning isn't just efficient, it's multifunctional too. It's like having a whole team of cleaners in one compact robot. So, get ready for a whole new era of autonomous cleaning, courtesy of the Robo Cube and Lotus Robotics. Number 4. LG Smart Home AI Agent. Let me introduce you to the LG's Q9 Smart Home AI Agent, about to shake up the way we live in our homes. Picture this, a little helper zipping around your house, taking care of chores like a pro. That's exactly what Q9 does, and it's pretty impressive. Thanks to its autonomous mobility and super smart AI technology, Q9 moves through your home with ease, tackling various tasks all on its own. Whether it's vacuuming the floors, adjusting the thermostat, this little guy has got it covered. But here's where it gets really cool. Q9 isn't just a robot doing its thing in the background. Nope, it's also great at communicating with you. Need an update on what it's doing? Just ask. Want to give it a command? It's all ears. If you need a little help with something, Q9's right there to lend a hand. LG's vision with Q9 is all about creating homes that are smarter and more convenient. By automating those everyday tasks that can eat up your time, that are giving us the chance to focus on the stuff that really matters. Whether that's spending time with family, pursuing our passions, or just kicking back and relaxing. So get ready for a future where your home isn't just a place to live, it's a place that works for you. Thanks to the LG's Q9 Smart Home AI Agent. Number 5. Ogmen Oro Pet Robot. Let's talk about the Ogmen Oro Pet Robot. It's like having a super smart pet sitter right in your home. This little guy is a game changer in the world of pet care, and here's why. First off, it's loaded with all sorts of cool tech. We're talking integrated cameras and microphones that let it keep an eye and ear on your furry friend at all times. That means you can check in on your pet's activities in real time, no matter where you are. Pretty neat, huh? But it doesn't stop there. The Oro Pet Robot is seriously smart. It's got these fancy algorithms that can pick up all sorts of subtle cues and expressions from your pet. So, whether they're feeling happy, bored, or a little under the weather, the Oro Pet Robot can tell and respond accordingly. And here's the best part. Even when you are not around, your pet still gets the care and attention they deserve. The Oro Pet Robot is there to keep them company, engage with them, and even provide some enrichment activities to keep them entertained. So, with Ogmen Oro Pet Robot in your home, you can rest easy knowing that your furry friend is in good hands, even when you can't be there yourself. It's like having a pet sitter, personal trainer, and playmate all rolled into one smart little package. Number 6. Portal Hologram Technology. Let's delve into the marvel that's Portal Hologram Technology. It's truly changing the way we connect with others, no matter where they are in the world. You see, this technology isn't just about video calls or chats. It's about bringing people together in a whole new way. By using holographic projection, Portal Hologram Technology creates these incredibly lifelike representation of individuals. It's like they're right there in the room with you, even if they're thousands of miles away. And the possibilities are endless. Whether you're collaborating on a project, learning something new, or just catching up with friends. Portal Hologram Technology makes it feel like you're all in the same place, having a face-to-face conversation. But it's not just about convenience, it's about connection. This technology fosters meaningful interactions and collaboration, just like if you are physically together. And that's pretty powerful stuff. So whether you're using it for work, education, or just for fun, Portal Hologram Technology is breaking down barriers and bringing people closer together like never before. It's innovation at its finest, showing us that distance doesn't have to be a barrier to meaningful connections. Number 7. Robothespian. Robothespian is not your typical actor. It's a robotic marvel designed to take the stage by storm. With flawless performances and multilingual capabilities, this robotic actor captivates audiences worldwide, blurring the line between human and machine interaction. From Shakespearean soliloquies to the modern monologues, Robothespian represents the fusion of technological innovation and artistic expression, offering a glimpse into the future of entertainment, where robotics seamlessly integrates with traditional forms of expression. Number 8. Android Newscaster. Japanese scientists unveiled the world's inaugural news-reading android, showcasing a marvel of technology that blends lifelike human characteristics with advanced artificial intelligence. With impeccable language skills and a humorous demeanor, the android delivers news with flair, captivating audiences and raising thought-provoking questions about the future of human-robot relationships in media and entertainment. Number 9. Ivy. Crafted by Agility Robotics, Ivy represents a milestone in robotic innovation, offering a glimpse into the future of bipedal locomotion. Designed for research and educational applications, Ivy showcases remarkable advancement in agility and versatility, serving as a valuable tool for studying the complexities of robotic locomotion. With Ivy, researchers and students have the opportunity to explore and contribute to the advancements of robotic technology, inspiring future generations of innovators. In our journey through amazing inventions, we've seen some really cool stuff, like Star Charger's Robotic Charger that makes charging electric cars super easy, Mandrew's affordable robotic hands for people who need them. But what's next for these inventions? How will they get even better? And what other jobs around the house could robots like the Robo Cube, LG's Q9 smart home AI agent help with? Plus, with Ogmen Oro Pet Robot looking after our pets, total hologram technology helping us talk to people far away, what else might technology do for us? And as robots like the Robothespian and Android newscaster become more lifelike, what new things might they help us with? With all these questions, we're excited to see where innovation takes us next.